What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enter your business location on Google Maps into our WordPress website using Elementor, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress website. Find the page where you would like to apply your business location. In my case, it's gonna be into this one. To the contact page. Here we have a map, but as you can see, the map has no relation with the website. So I'm gonna click on Edit with Elementor in order to open the Elementor editor. To be able to see this menu, you must log in your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, go to page, and you're gonna be able to see the top menu of login with Elementor. First thing, I'm gonna change this map. I'm gonna remove this map, by the way. Now, I'm gonna find into the left sidebar of menus the map, okay, the Google Maps. It's present on Elementor free, so no needs to be pro user. Then I'm gonna drop it right here, just like this. Here is my map. By default, it loads the London Eye, and here is the name. Now, go to Google and type Google Maps and find your business. In my case, I'm gonna search for furniture business, and you can search for your business name. I think I'm gonna choose, let me find a good one. I think this one is nice. Sander Furniture. I think this one is okay. Furniture Raw. I'm gonna copy the business name exactly as it looks on Google Maps, okay? Go to Elementor and search for it. Let me make the map taller. Let me remove the zoom. As you can see, we have some zoom levels that you can play with. In the case that the name does not match, you cannot find a good for the name, you can use the address, okay? Copy the address. Go to your WordPress, enter the address here. Let me improve the zoom. Exactly like this. If you like the result you got, you can update your map, but as you can see, the map is not in full width. No worry, go to style, go to the section where the map is location, change from boxed to full width, stretch section, and into columns gap, you're gonna set no gap. Now the map gonna look like this, okay? Simple, easy, and effective. Now update your page and you are good to go. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.